Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to build your first full stack, fully functional web app under 10 minutes without the need to write any code. So sit back, relax, and without wasting any time, let's get right in. First, what you want to do is to visit this website named Open Router, links in the description below, and sign up for an account. After signing up, go to the Models tab and in the Filters bar, type free. Now you can see a bunch of free models. Find Gemini from there. Make sure to choose the Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental. Now choose API key and create API key. You can create your own API key from here. Now copy the key. Ensure you have VS Code installed. If not already, download it from their official website. As always, links in the description. Now open up VS Code and go to the Extensions tab. Search for Cline. Install the extension. Now you can spot the Cline icon in the sidebar. Click on it. Now on the Settings option, select Open Router as API provider and paste your API key here. Now, in the Models section, search for Gemini 2.0 Flash. Select the free version. Now we are all set. We can test it out by telling to build something. I am going to tell it to build a sleek and modern calculator app. It should have basic functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, square, and square root, etc. Now let's send it the prompt. As you can see, it is generating the code and creating needed files. This can take some time. So let's wait. It has completed the task. Let's see if it has actually done it. As you can see, it did indeed make the calculator app, and it also made it sleek and modern as I asked for. Overall, it did a really good job. You can make bigger websites like a finance tracker and a banking site, etc. too. But for the sake of this video, I gave it a short task to complete. If you want to see a full video on me making a fully functional, professional website, leave a comment below. So that's it for today. Hope to see you in another video. And as always, happy coding.